classical music, how that narrative is shared through the project with our children, and how it's introduced to Africa through colonialism, and then how African composers took that on. They didn't reject the classical music and embraced it and allowed it to influence themselves. Sort of represents that common humanity. It's just a really, really powerful narrative.
He's bringing a different aspects of life, of history, of music to a young audience, and hopefully inspiring them to create for themselves in the way that Fela Sowande.
To give them the opportunity to do something which is so different and is actually quite grown up and therefore quite transitional. And I think that is a wonderful thing to be able to do for children, to give children something which is transitional and to help them to think.
Particularly for my children in Deptford, I think it really shows them how we can come together. They're exposed to so much in a city school where they're very disadvantaged, living in really small, cramped conditions, often with lots of conflict and environmental concerns happening all around them. And I think this really has helped them share that bigger narrative and how we are part of that cycle and how you can move forward with something really positive.